Yes, here we are for the second installment of the Jesse James Swing. Jesse has climbed the mountain. Here he approaches his launching pad. Go on up, Jesse James, and show us what you do. That's Mickey Landry giving Jesse James support. Here Jesse approaches his launching point. Here he is, step by step. What extreme bravery to jump in this alligator-filled swamp. Strong River. Come on, swamp people, climbers. This is a breed of swamp people all over their own. The climbing swamp people. These are tougher than the swamp people. These are the river people. Come on, strong river people. Wow, Jesse James, for a live shot. Don't land on me, Jesse. My boat's going up under you.